Too many teachers confuse teaching with talking.
Yeah.
Teaching and covering the material are
Right.
not the same.
Right.
And this is not to say there aren't times when you do direct instruction to explain a concept, to explain something, but how do you know the kids learned it?
Right.
They don't. A lot of kids don't learn just because you say something once.
Right.
You then have to say, okay, now try it out, and then look and see what are they doing. The most effective teachers are facilitators. They're
That's what it
not big
is.
talkers. They're facilitating learning, and they're constantly looking for the evidence that their students are learning. They're inviting their questions. They're giving
Correct.
kids numerous opportunities to try things, to get it right, so that they aim for a standard of excellence in what they're doing and not just to get it done, right? If you're student centered, you become learner centered. And,
Yes.
think about this. So many times you go into the classroom and too much of class time is sitting and listening.
Right.
That's boring for a lot of kids. Class time should be work time, should be learning time, should be time doing, not just sitting listening. And when kids get bored, they're more likely to act out.
They're
So if you're
actually, yep.
student centered, you're going
Yep.
to make it learner centered.